Hey everyone, good morning. Rob Longo here. We are out on Lena Court in Sarnia, Ontario. We're taking a tour of a beautiful home today. It's a one-owner house, just about 2,000 square feet, all on the main floor, and really nice street. If you haven't seen the house online, you can find it online on my website, roblongo.ca, or obviously on our Facebook, Instagram pages, or through Coldwell Banker Southwest at cbsouthwest.ca. So just to give you an overview of the neighborhood where we're at, I'm just going to flip our camera around here a little bit. And it is a very quiet cul-de-sac, dead-end street. You can see our house behind us here, 1617 Lena Court, where we're going to go through and take you through in a few moments. But it is a very nice quiet street, cul-de-sac, all executive homes around here. What you can't see is just over the way here is the Howard Watson Nature Trail, which would be just up the street, and to the left you've got an access point to the Howard Watson Nature Trail, which is a great 16-kilometer walking and hiking trail that runs all through the city of Sarnia. Also right behind that is Lake Huron. We're only about a kilometer from Lake Huron, so you're nice and close to the beaches, close to shopping, close to everything you could ever want here. All of the homes in this neighborhood are really well maintained, really nice homes. They're all on half-acre lots, so they've all got nice big lots, like you can see. And you can see this nice all brick and stone bungalow or ranch on this half-acre lot here. As we round the side, you'll see a nice concrete driveway, triple car garage. You can see the sun is shining. It's just beautiful here in Sarnia today. It's a little bit above zero, so the snow is starting to melt. And you'll see the backyard here. They've got a nice hedge. So the yard here is more sort of long and narrow as I step into this snowbank. You can see the backyard. So there's an access point here off the garage into the backyard, and then there's this nice deck here off the kitchen dining room, which is really nice. One of the really neat things here about this whole subdivision, obviously very nice subdivision, but one of the really nice things that's always been neat, and it's always been a neat feature that I've liked, is that you can see some of the neighbors' yards here, and you can see that nobody has fencing. It's all been left wide open between all the neighbors, which is really neat to see. You don't see that too often in town, and that's been like that now for well over 20 years. So this house was built in 2007. Like I said, just over 2,000 square feet. Nice big deck out here in the backyard. You might be able to hear the music on. They've got wired for sound outside here. You see some of the patio furniture is piled up, but we're wired for sound out here and inside. So we'll take a walk back around and out the front driveway and show you guys inside the house. So again, we're at 1617 Lena Court. For anybody that's just joining us in Sarnia, Ontario, you can find all the details on our Facebook page, Coldwell Banker Southwest, or Rob Longo, CB Southwest Realty, or else on our website at roblongo.ca. It is an oversized triple car garage, 3-car garage here, which is really nice. Nice big front yard. It's really set back from the road. Like we said, it is half-acre lots along this street, and it is a dead-end cul-de-sac, so As you can see, very minimal traffic. You can hear the birds and enjoy the sunshine and not have a busy street to contend with. It's kind of hard to see through the snow that we've got this time of year, but there's nice landscaping out front. And we will head up the walkway here and head inside and check out 1617 Lena Court. Thanks everybody for joining us on this sunny day. If you're on your lunch break or you're taking time out of your day to join us, we appreciate it. If you have any questions, just put them in the chat as we're going through. I'll be happy to answer it, and we're going to kind of give you a little tour. So here we go, 1617 Lena Court. So you can see our front entryway here with 10-foot ceilings. There is a bedroom or an office off each side here. You can see the hardwood floors in here. So you got one potential bedroom or office. You'll see this matching side on the other side of the front door is actually set up for an office. Hardwood floors again in here. And tons of windows here, tons of natural light. You can really see it on a day like today where the sunshine's just beaming in everywhere. How bright it is in here with this great east-west exposure. Basically, your back windows are almost facing straight west, which is really nice for that afternoon sunshine. We've also got a main floor laundry, which is really nice, so everything is on the same floor for you. You've got laundry hookups here. You've got a back hall coat closet, which leads in through to the garage. Like we saw outside, it is an oversized 3-car garage. So lots of room for all your stuff. And then we'll take you back through the inside of the house here. Laundry room leads back in for our kitchen, dining area. All nicely done. See the granite countertops throughout. Nice breakfast bar here. Good size island. And there is a corner pantry, which is always nice. So lots of storage there. You can see again in the dinette area, all the natural light that comes through. And then there's our patio door out to that back deck that we had saw on the outside. And our corner pantry is here. So lots of storage in the kitchen, lots of cupboards. Nice finish here on the cabinetry, all stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. It's all hard surface flooring throughout this home, so it's all all ceramic or hardwoods. As you can see here in the main great room, open staircase going downstairs, 10-foot ceilings through this whole area, and these big windows looking out over the backyard and the back deck with all that light. Really nice room. You can kind of catch a glimpse here of the stairs, obviously going down for the basement. We'll take you guys down there in a minute. There is a full bath here on the main floor, which we can see is a 4-piece bath with the shower. It's kind of hard to see, but you get the idea. Nice shower. Toilet, vanity, again, granite countertops in the bathroom here, in the vanity. And then on the far end of the main floor, we've got the master suite. Again, tons of light, huge windows across the whole back. And this is a really big room. It's hard to almost scale it on the video, but you'll see the king size bed in here, plus the furniture. And again, the hardwood floors that are in great shape, hardwood floors everywhere here. The house was built again in 2007. Like we said, if you're just joining us, it's 1617 Lena Court. So you'll see all that natural light coming in. You see also is a door here to go out to the patio or to the backyard. If you wanted to have a hot tub or something like that, be a great setup for that. But really big master suite. Tons of natural light. Great spot to wake up in the morning. The nice thing about this too is that as you can see through to that front, the master suite on this house runs the entire width, so it goes right from east to west. So you've got light coming up through in the morning as well as the night sunset in the evening. Got a large walk-in closet. And then a big master bathroom, which has this really cool clawfoot tub, soaker tub. And then double sinks, his and hers sinks on the vanity. Again, granite countertops all through here. You can kind of get a scale of how large that master bedroom is from this angle. And then it does have the separate washroom with the toilet, which is always nice. So you've got the big soaker tub, clawfoot soaker tub, as well as a stand-up shower here. So that's your master ensuite. And then you've got your walk-in closet just to the right. And then your obviously master bedroom here through. So really nicely finished and really nicely done. We'll take you guys now down to check out the basement, which is right off of the main area here. We'll head down the basement. Nice wood and wrought iron railing. The basement is all new carpeting this year. It was all replaced to freshen it up. And you'll see really neat setup down here. They've got everything you would want. They've got the pool table set up. They've got the theater all set up. This would be a great house if you're working from home or if the kids are home. You've got lots of room. Plus you've got the different setups. You've got lots of room for an office or two offices, even potentially upstairs. And then a fully finished lower level. And they've got this great games room here. With the pool table and with the theater. And then you do have another 2 bedrooms and another full bathroom down here, which you'll see our full bath. Again, granite countertops. All the countertops in this house are granite. And stand-up shower for the basement bedroom or for guests. And then really nice sized bedroom down here with a big double closet. So again, I'm Rob Longo, and you are with us at 1617 Lena Court in Sarnia. We're just giving you guys a quick tour. This house was 2,000 square feet. It was built in 2007. It's a one-owner home. Really nicely done. Half-acre lot. We're just 1 kilometer from the beach and just a couple hundred meters from the Howard Watson Nature Trail. And you can see the basement here again. We've got lots of room in this rec room. They've got a sitting room set up, plus the theater area. plus the pool table area. So you could set it up like this, or you could do something different, but lots of room no matter what you want to do. So you've got potentially three bedrooms on the main floor and another 2 down here, depending on how you set it up. They've got a really big workout room in here now. It could be an extra room or a bonus room. And then we've got our 5th bedroom, which again is a very big bedroom down here. With a big double closet. Really nicely finished. Everything is super clean, super well done. You can see the carpeting. I really like this carpeting design, actually. It's very soft, it's very plush, and it was just all replaced this year. I really like this pool table setup too. And it looks really good with the wrought iron and the wood spindles on the staircase. All fresh carpeting coming up on your stairs. And again, our great room with all that natural light out in the backyard. So again, I'm Rob Longo, Coldwell Banker, Southwest Realty, and we thank you for checking out our tour today of 1617 Lena Court in Sarnia. If you have any questions or if you're interested, just shoot us a message, or you can get all the details on the house at my website, roblongo.ca, or at the Coldwell Banker website, cbsw.ca, or obviously on our Facebook, Instagram pages. And hopefully everybody has a good day. We've got David Britannic coming up next if you're watching us live. He's doing a really cool spot down in Courtright, a house that we just listed this week. Under $200,000, just a block from the river. So you'll want to check that out. He'll be showing you that at 12:30. So otherwise, thank you guys all and have a great day.